ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि। श्लोक नंबर 91, पेज नंबर 92. We saw the shloka. शब्दाद्याकार निर्भाषा आनोपादान धर्मिणी भाष्या इत्याह श्रुति द्रष्टरि आत्मनो अपरिणामिनः दृष्टि आत्मनो अपरिणामिनः. So there are two drishtis. One is anitya drishti, another is nitya drishti. Anitya drishti is the jnanam that is attained through buddhi, and nitya drishti is atmanah avikarinah. Siddhika. So shabdadi akar nirbhasa is visheshana for buddhi, which is the anitya drishti. Hanopadana dharmini is also visheshana for anitya drishti. And bhasya is also for that. Third line in Tika. Shrutir drishtim antakarna vrittim aha iti anvaya. Shruti hi aha. Anvaya will happen in this way. Shrutir aha. Kim drishtim antakarna vrittim aha. Everybody get that line where it is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swamiji.
So what is not right in that line that you have to point out? Or everything is right? In the shloka, drishti shabda is in prathama. Shruti drashti. In tika, shruti drashtim, it is in dvitiya, antakarana vrittim. So question should come, how shruti drashtim aha you said, if shloka says shruti drashti aha. That's how it should be. So Anvay you have to do in this way. Shabdadi akara nirbhasa hanopada. Everybody understood the question, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
No, what about the other people?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
शब्दादि आकार निर्भासा हानोपादान धर्मिणी भास्या दृष्टि ही एका. दिस इज वन दृष्टि. आत्मनो अपरिणामिनः दृष्टि ही अन्या. This is second drishti. So drishti anvaya you can do in two ways. And then Shrutihi drishti dvayam aha. Shruti speaks of these two drishtis. This is for understanding. This is how you understand what is the Shruti Vakya. Which Shruti, that is said in the next shloka. Nahi drashter drashtaram pashyehe. So drashta is there, which is Atma, aparinami. Its drishti. So one drishti of that paramarthika Atma is aparinami. It is also referred by the word drishti. That Atma illumines the other drishti, other jnanam. So jnanam illumines jnanam. Kutastha jnanam illumines vikari vrityatmaka jnanam. Katham aha ityata aha bhasya ityaha. How Shruti says that other drishti is bhasya. Shabda, bhasya means illumined. Shabdadi akar nirbhasavati hanopadana dharmini bhutva atmanah prakashya iti achaste. Natu taya atma prakashya ityaha ityartha. शब्दादि आकार निर्भाषा शब्द स्पर्शादि आकार निर्भाषा means the one which illumines these. शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध are illumined by buddhi vritti, antakarana vritti, and that is hanopadana dharmini, because that jnanam will take up one vishaya, its jnanam, leave that another vishaya, leave that another vishaya. So hanopadana is constant. hanopadana dharmini bhutva atmanah prakashya iti achaste. For Atma, it is Prakashya. Prakashya means Prakashya, illumined by Atma. Iti achaste. Natu taya Atma Prakashya ityaha. Taya kaya?
Drishtya. Antakarana vrittya.
Antakarana vrittya Atma na Prakashya. Atma is not illumined by this Antakarana vritti. Antakarana vritti is illumined by Atma. But then you say Brahmakar vritti we have to do. So Brahmakar vritti is not to illumine Atma. Brahmakar vritti is to remove Atma Vishayaka Ajnanam. Atma is Swayam Prakasha. This is one way, yadva. Second way, he makes it more clear. Drashtir dvidha, paramarthiki, aparamarthiki cha. This drishti is of two types. Paramarthiki, nitya. Aparamarthiki, anitya. तत्र पारमार्थिकी दृष्टिरात्मनः स्वरूपम इत्याचष्टे. पारमार्थिकी दृष्टि इज आत्मनः स्वरूपम. दिस इज हाउ आत्मा इज. या अन्या शब्दादि आकार निर्भासवती जन्म विनाशवती च दृष्टि सा स्वरूप भूतया दृष्ट्या भास्या. अन्या दृष्टि इज शब्दादि आकार निर्भासवती. that which does निर्भासनम, अवभासनम of शब्दादि आकार. शब्दादि आकार निर्भासवती जन्म विनाशवती च दृष्टि, which has जन्म नाश, which has हानोपादान. सा स्वरूप भूतया दृष्ट्या भास्या. So this janma vinashavati antakarana vritti drishti is illumined by swarupa bhuta drishti. In other words, for a sadhaka who is little bit mature sadhaka, their constant effort should be to see that there are two jnanams. And the moment I feel I am getting caught up in buddhi, vritti jnanam, I should become very alert and become sakshi. So, one jnanam, because it interacts with shabdadi akar vritti, it is bound to get influenced by them. The other jnanam has to remain away from it. Away from it means not identify with pramata. Sakshi should not identify with pramata. So this is mukhya sadhana. Then sadhana is not how many japa you have done and how many other activities you have done, what else you did. All those things are earlier stages. Mukhya sadhana will become this, seeing two drishtis, paramarthiki, aparamarthiki. नतु तया स्वरूप भूता दृष्टिर भास्या इत्याह इत्यर्थः. तया शब्दादि आकार निर्भासवत्या दृष्ट्या स्वरूप भूता दृष्टि ही न भास्या. By that buddhi vritti jnanam, Atma does not get illumined. This is 91. Ka tu asau shruti. What is that shruti in Tika? Artham upavarnya shrutim avatarayati. Ka tu asau iti. Meaning he explained first. Now, question is, you said some shruti is there. Which shruti is there? So you have to give the answer. Drashter drashtaram napasher drashyamanaya vijñātāramarēkena vijaniyādhiyām patim. Drashter drashtaram napasher drashyamanaya vijñātāramarēkena vijaniyādhiyām patim. न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारम पश्येः न श्रुतेर श्रोतारम शृणुयाः न मतेर मंतारम मन्वीथाः न विज्ञातेर विज्ञातारम विजानीयाः. In this way the Shruti is there. दृष्टे है द्रष्टारम आत्मानम, दृष्टि का जो दृष्टा है, दिस सीयर ऑफ seeing. Seeing means not through eyes. This jnana vritti. That atma, which is drashta, न पश्ये दृश्यमानया दृष्ट्या द्रष्टारम आत्मानम न पश्ये. And who is that drashta? Visheshan is given. Drashte hai drashta. Sambandha is given. Drashti ka drashta. So drashti is aparamarthiki. Drashta is paramarthika drashta, whose drashti will be swarupa bhuta drashti paramarthiki. This is one. Second, Vijñātāramare kena vijāniyāt. This Yajnavalkya telling Maitreyi. A Maitreyi, Vijñātāramare kena vijāniyāt. Who will know that Vijñāta? Are is there, so you should know. Wherever this Are is there in Brahadaranyaka, I think most of it is in Yajnavalkya Maitreyi. Kena vijāniyāt. Kena vijāniyāt kim? So dhyam patim, he says. What is Atma? Atma is the pati of buddhi. Sakshi. Pati here means Sakshi. Dhyam patim. Atma is pati for all, for everything. Jagat pati, Prajapati, Brihaspati, Pashupati. But here Dhyam pati is Yajnapati, every pati. Is Vijñāta. How can you know that Vijñāta? Tika, na drashter drashtaram pashyehe, Vijñātāram are kena vijāniyāt, iti cha vakya dvayam atra pramanam ityartha. These two vakyas are pramanam. If there are students who are doing regular dhyanam, meditation, this is important dhyanam that they can do. They can or but identify with the second one. It's a good way of keeping attention focused also. एवं श्रुति स्मृति विद्वत् प्रत्यक्षानुमानादीनां संभवात् अविश्वासो न वेदांत सिद्ध करणीय इति अभिप्रेत्य आह यस्मादिति. एवं in this way श्रुति स्मृति विद्वत् अनुभव विद्वत् प्रत्यक्ष and anumana etc. So shruti pramana, smriti pramana, anubhav pramana for yani, anumana, yukti, all of them are there. In Vedanta Siddhanta, avishwasa should not be done. Vedanta Siddhante avishwaso na karaniya iti abhipretya aha yasmat. Yasmat sarva pramanopapanno ayam artha. Ayam artha means which artha, which is sarva pramana upapanna, sarva pramanaihi upapanna, sarva pramano upapanna. The artha that Atma is drashta, buddhi is vikarini and is also dhyana. Jnana samarthya is in both, but one is anitya, which has hanopadana, utpatti nasha, etc. Other does not have all this. This is clearly explained in Vedanta Siddhanta in Upanishads. in Smriti. So Shruti Pramana is there, Smriti Pramana is there. Our own Anubhava, when we study properly, then it is our Anubhava that yes, I know what my mind or buddhi is going through. And I am fully aware of it. And then there is Yukti. Yukti is whether you say Anumana Pramana or Arthapatti. If Atma was not drashta of this buddhi vritti, how would we know that this jnanam has taken place? Whether it is ghata, pata, shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa jnanam or sukha, dukhakar vritti in antahkarana. If the illuminator Atma, Sakshi Atma was not there to illumine them, to know, when I say illumine means to know what is happening at the level of buddhi, then I would not have known. But I know all of them. That means there has to be an Atma, which is illuminator. So this artha is sarva pramana upapanna. तस्माद अतो अन्यथावादिनो जात्यंधा इव अनुकंपनीया इत्याह. Therefore, those people who speak of things other than this, those who are anyatha vadinah, anyatha vaditum shilam yesham, te anyatha vadinah. Those whose swabhava is to speak otherwise, they are jatyandhaha iva anukampaniyaha. They have to be given anukampa. Anukampa means daya. They are dayaniya. Like who? Jatyandhaha iva. So Jatyandha Drishtanta he gives in the next shloka. Those who are blind from the beginning. Those who had the vision, ability to see, and then later they became blind, they have samskaras, they have knowledge of how those things are. But those who are born blind, they don't have any samskaras. So if you ask them, how does the banyan tree look? So they will give some idea from what they have heard. Like that, if somebody will ask them, how does elephant look? So that is the example given here. Tade tadadvayam brahma nirvikaram kubuddhibihi jatyanda gajadrishtyeva kotishaha parikalpyate. Tade tadadvayam brahma nirvikaram kubuddhibihi jatyanda gajadrishtyeva kotisha parikalpyate. Tad etad advayam brahma nirvikaram brahma kubuddhibihi jatyanda gajadrishtya iva kotishaha parikalpyate. By the kubuddhi people. So those who are of improper intellect. Nirvikaram Brahma Advayam, that Brahma which is non-dual and changeless, which is Vedanta Siddhanta Siddham, Kotishaha Parikalpyate. They do varieties of kalpanas about this Brahma Vastu. How? Just as Jatyanda Gaja Drishti, those people who are born blind, and if they are presented with one elephant and they are told, you find out how this elephant is. So they will touch, through sparsha they will try to find out. So somebody will touch his feet and they'll say that he's like a pillar, or he's like a, means whatever upama they give, they have not seen how is their leg, how is elephant is like pillar, but they don't know what is pillar. If pillar is there, they have gone around, touched them, hugged them, they say they know, okay, this is how the pillar is. Or a plantain stump, they say this is how it is. So they have touched it. So when they touch the leg of an elephant, they say, this is like a pillar. Somebody touches the tail. So he says, this is like a string, like a rope. Somebody touches the trunk. So he gives some other idea, whatever he has experienced like that before. Somebody touches the teeth, tusk. Somebody touches the body. Somebody touches the ears. And they think this is how the whole elephant is. Means all parts of elephant, they are not.
Swamiji, it's breaking a lot.
Now, you cannot get angry at those people. Why? Because they are born blind. They don't know anything better. So if they say something, you can't shout at them. You can't laugh at them. You can have only compassion. That is what Acharya says. They are all anukampaniya. Only compassion means you think what is going to happen to these people. If this is their understanding of Atma. Tika. यथा जात्यंदाः स्वस्पर्श गृहीत हस्तपादादि अवयवेषु अयम गज इति तत्र तत्र अवयवेषु गज भावम कल्पयन्ति. Just as the jatyandha person, by doing sparsha, sparsha grihita hastapadadi avayaveshu of the elephant. Hastapada means they touch somewhere. And they say, oh, this is how elephant is. Ayam gaja. Ayam gaja. I've understood. This is how it is. Tatra tatra avayaveshu gaja bhavam kalpayanti. In those avayava, they think entire gaja is like this only. In the same way, tadvat swaswa dustarka dushita buddhibhish चार्वाकाद्यैः तर्काभास दृष्ट प्रकारेण कूटस्थम अद्वितीयं ब्रह्म अपि अन्यथा कल्प्यते इत्यर्थः. In the same way, swaswa dustarka dushita, they give dustarka. Shruti-matah tarka is what we say and we follow. They give only tarka, dushtarka. And dushtarka, dushita buddhi they have from Charvak onwards. Charvak adyehi. Charvak adir yasham. Te Charvak adaya. Taihi. तर्काभास दृष्टि प्रकारेण तर्काभास दृष्ट प्रकारेण. So they don't give tarka, it is tarka abhasa. There are flaws in them. Kutastham advitiyam brahma api anyatha kalpyate. They do anyatha kalpanam. So tarka abhasa. Tarka will help you to do karya karana sambandha. Like dhuma, vanni. So vanni is karana, dhuma is karya. Karya karana sambandha, otherwise also you can say through anvaya vyatireka, this jnanam is sambhava. How it will be? Vanni sattve dhuma sattvam, vanni abhave dhuma bhava. So this anvaya vyatireka is there. Or even more, ardra indhana sanyoge dhuma sattvam. Ardra indhana sanyoga bhave dhuma bhava. So anvaya vyatireka siddhi requires certain specific factors. Those who have studied Tarka Sangraha with Tika, they know this. Paksha Sattvam, Sapaksha Sattvam, Vipakshad Vyavrittihi, Asat Pratipakshatvam, not Sat Pratipaksha. Sat Pratipaksha is Abhasa, Tarkabhasa. It should have Asat Pratipakshatvam. In Paksha Sattva means the Hetu should be there in Paksha. Sapaksha Sattva means Hetu should be there in Sapaksha. Vipakshad Vyavritti. Hetu should not be there in Vipaksha. Asat Pratipakshatvam. Sat Pratipaksha means there is Virodhi is present. Somebody can do Viruddha Sadhya. Here it is Asat Pratipakshatvam. And Abadhyatvam. There is no Badha. Means there is no Vyabhichara or Vyapti Dosha. So when all this is there, then you can say it is proper Tarka. If one or two are there, then say, oh, okay, I have done Tarka. That is Tarka Abhasa. The person has not even understood Karya Karana Sambandha. And having understood Karya Karana Sambandha, what I am supposed to do is, if it is something that is associated with me in my life, then if the Karya is Dukkha, I should work to remove the Karana, so that Dukkha will go. Without removing the Karana for Dukkha, I do other sadhana. And I already know what is Karya Karana Sambandha. What is the use of that knowledge of Karya Karana Sambandha or Anvaya Vyatireka if I am not able to remove the Karana? Because Karana Nasha, Karya Nasha will happen. This is how you use Tarka in life. Those who do not know this, they will do Tarka Bhasa. And they will do Kalpana of this Kutastham Advitiyam Brahma. And that Kalpana is Bhayankar. If I don't know about Atma, it is okay. If I think of some imagining, this is how it is, that is how it is, that is inappropriate. So this Tarkabhasa part, I am assuming you all know. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.